Hi, welcome back once again to CBSE Board Economics. I'm Saddam Sen. Today we discuss another interesting topic in the indifference curve analysis, budget set and budget line. What exactly is budget set and what exactly is budget line? See, you can buy the number of two commodities, maybe oranges and apples, depending upon your income. How many oranges and how many apples you buy, different permutation combinations, that's how the budget set. Budget set equation is Px Qx plus Py Qy is less than or equal to your income. Px Qx plus Py Qy is less than or equal to your income. What it means, let's imagine you have 100 rupees with you. Okay, we'll take you have 10 rupees as per example here. So this is budget set, or we call it as budget constraint. You can see it here, budget set or budget constraint. You can see it here. Px Qx plus Py Qy is less than or equal to income. Let's imagine you have 10 rupees with you. The price of good X, Px stands for price of good X and Y stands for income, rupees 10 you have, and Py stands for price of good Y, rupees 2. How many combination of these two goods you can have, that's a budget set. Budget set 0 0. You're not buying either good X or good Y, 0 0. Okay, there's one possibility you have. Another possibility is you're buying 0 of X, 1 Y. That means you are spending 2 rupees. 0 2, spending 4 rupees on good Y. 0 3, 0 4, you can go up to 0 5. What it means, you spend all the income or money on good Y. You didn't buy any of the good X. Or the other way around, look at this one, 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0 5 0. That means you are buying only good X and none of the good Y. Okay, or you have many other permutation combinations. You can buy 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 2 2 3 4 1 1 4 3 1 2 1. Many of these possible. That's budget set. That means you are buying equal to your income or less than your income. Px, price of X, into Qx, quantity of X, plus price of Y into quantity of Y should be equal to your income or less than your income. Less than your income when you're buying 0 0 or 0 1, that means you're not spending all the income. That's a budget set. Budget set consists of different possible combination of two commodities that cost the consumer equal to his income or less than his income. Px Qx plus Py Qy is equal to or less than his income. And what exactly is budget line, that I'll be discussing in the next video. Budget line consists of only those combination of two commodities which exactly cost your income. That is, we slightly change the equation as Px Qx plus Py Qy is equal to income. These combinations cost exactly equivalent to your income. Let's say the same example. Look at this one. You have 10 rupees with you and price of X is 2, price of Y is 2. That means you can have Px Qx plus Py Qy is equal to income. Either you spend all the money on good Y, you're buying 5 units of this, so it will be equivalent to 10 rupees. That's all your income. 0, you're not buying any of this. Or the other way around, you can buy all of good X and 0 of Y. Or you can have 2 of this and 3 of this, that is rupees 10, and 3 of these, 2 of this, 4 plus 1 or 1 plus 4. That is all, you have it on the budget line. So budget set and budget line, budget set equation is Px Qx plus Py Qy is equal to or less than your income. Here we assume income is 10, price of X is 2, price of Y is 2. So budget sets you have 0 0 0 1 0 2 0 3, so on and so forth. And budget line Px Qx plus Py Qy is equal to income 0 5 5 0 2 3 3 2 4 1. Or budget set and budget constraint. Budget set refers to the set of possible combination of the two goods the consumer consumes with his income and given prices. Let the two goods be X and Y, and the prices of good X is Px and price of good Y is Py. The total expenditure incurred on the two goods by the consumer is then Pxqx plus Pyqy is less than or equal to his income, where Qx and Qy are the quantities of the two goods purchased. Let the income of the consumer be Y, so long as the two goods cost the consumer less than or equal to the income the consumer can afford all such bundles or combinations. This situation can be expressed in the form of an equation Pxqx plus Pyqy is less than or equal to income. This equation is referred to as budget constraint. It means that the consumer is constrained to buy the combination of two goods which cost him equal to his income or less than his income. So in this video we learned what is a budget set and budget constraint. Budget set, once again, Pxqx plus Pyqy is less than or equal to income, whereas budget line consists of only those sets which cost the consumer exactly his income. Pxqx plus Pyqy is equal to income. When you are on the budget line, that means you are spending all the money in buying a combination of two commodities. That's all we have time for this small video. Till we meet next time, it's goodbye from Saddam Hussain. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, comment our videos. Till we meet next time, it's goodbye.